Good morning, students. Myself Shwetamal from Green Valley English School is here to teach you class 6th biology. We started with the 4th chapter, digestive system, and I told you about nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances needed by our body for good health and growth. And there are 4 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And I told you after that about macronutrients and micronutrients. What are macronutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins are needed in large amount in a body. They are called macronutrients, and vitamins and minerals are needed in small amount or quantity in our body, and they are called micronutrients. And I told you about nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. And I told you about the 5 steps that are involved in the process of nutrition. What are those? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Okay? And after that I told you about the process of nutrition in humans, as well as I told you about the human digestive system, and while we started with digestion, and in that I told you about mouth and teeth. What I told you about teeth? Teeth help in breaking, chewing and grinding of food on the basis of structure and function. Okay? What I told you? That teeth help in the breaking and chewing. And if I tell you, there are 2 types of teeth. What are those? Milk teeth and permanent teeth. In human beings, the teeth grow twice. The first set of teeth starts developing when the child is a few months old, maybe after 6 months. And this set of teeth is called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. And these teeth are small, weak and temporary. Okay, these are 20 in number. These are how many in number? These are 20 in number, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. From that, 4 incisors, 2 canines and 4 molars. Okay, and these temporary teeth start falling at the age of 5 to 6 years or 7 to 8 years, and these teeth are replaced by a permanent teeth. Okay, these teeth are replaced by a permanent teeth, and these permanent teeth are 32 in number, and they are not replaced by a new natural teeth. Now let us study about the structure of tooth. So, before starting about the structure of tooth, let us know about teeth. Teeth are small, calcified, hard, whitish structures found in the mouth or mechanically breaking down items of food by cutting and crushing them. They are among the most distinctive features of mammals. This is the structure of a tooth. Okay, and the tooth has 2 parts, that is the crown and the root, and it has one more part that is called as neck. This is the structure of a tooth, and this is the crown, this is the root, and this is the neck portion. Okay, so as I was telling you about that teeth help in breaking, chewing, grinding of food on the basis of structure and function. There are 4 types of teeth in humans. What are those 4 types? Those 4 types are, can you tell me? Yes. What are those? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And there is a dental formula of an adult human being that I will tell you later. First, let me tell you about the structure of a tooth. If I talk about the structure of a tooth, mainly it has 2 parts, that is crown and the root, and it has one more part, that is neck. So let us know about the crown. Crown is the top part of the tooth that can be seen. It provides surface from the breakdown of food. A white hard layer surrounds the crown. It is called enamel and it is the hardest material. What I told you? I told you that crown is the top part of the tooth. It is the top part of the tooth and can be seen, and it provides surface for the breakdown of food. What it does? It provides surface for the breakdown of food, and a white hard layer surrounds the crown. That is called as enamel, and it is the hardest material in the human body. What it is? It is the hardest material in the human body. There is a bone-like hard substance present just below the enamel that is called the dentine. What it is called? Dentine, and it has a hollow space. This space is filled with a soft material called pulp. What is it filled? It is filled with a soft material that is called pulp. And pulp has blood vessels and nerves. And the blood vessels give nutrition to the teeth. What I was telling? Crown is the part of the teeth above gum. Overmost covering of the crown is enamel. And enamel is the hardest material in the body. Okay? So, there is a bone-like hard substance present just below the enamel that is called the dentine, and it is a hollow space. This space is filled with soft material called pulp, and pulp has blood vessels and nerves, and the blood vessels give nutrition to the teeth. Now, let us know about the neck portion. Part of the teeth between the crown and the root. Inside the neck, a cavity is seen and it is the pulp cavity. Blood vessels and nerve fibers are seen inside the pulp cavity. Tissues of teeth get nourishment through these blood vessels. Now, let us know about the root. Root is the lower part of the tooth. What is root? Root is the lower part of the tooth and it is fixed in the jawbone. Root is the lower part of the tooth and it is fixed in the jawbone. The gums help to keep the tooth firmly in the jawbone. What the gum does? The gums help to keep the tooth firmly in the jawbone. Part of the seam inside the gum is the root, and material that fixes teeth to the socket of jawbone is cement. Now, let us know about tooth decay and toothache. Sometimes it happens with you all. Yes, it can happen with anyone who does not brush properly. Okay? Then sometimes small bits of food get stuck between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth carefully, these bits of food stay between our teeth, on which the bacteria form a sticky yellowish layer on the teeth that is called as dental plaque, and bacteria produce acid. What does bacteria do? Bacteria produce acid, and the acid slowly corrodes. What happens? The acid slowly corrodes the enamel. Due to this, the tooth starts decaying. Okay, and this is called tooth decay or dental caries. Okay, and tooth decay causes holes or cavities in the tooth. What the tooth decay causes? It causes holes or cavities in the tooth. Due to this, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. What happens? Due to this, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. When any cold or hot thing comes in contact with this exposed nerves, we feel pain. Tooth decay also causes a foul smell, toothache and loss of teeth. Sometimes the plaque becomes hard and forms a yellow layer on the teeth, and this is called tartar. Okay, so let us know that what is the teeth made of. Teeth is made of dentine. What is teeth made of? It is made of dentine. It is made of living tissues. It is the hard calcium rich material, less harder than enamel, and it disintegrates easily. This is the cross section of a teeth. This is the enamel, this is dentine, this is pulp, this is gum, this is cementum, this is the bone, blood vessels and nerves. And this portion is called as crown portion and this portion is called as root portion. Okay? Now there are four types of teeth. They are incisors, canines, these are incisors, these are canines, premolars and molars. What are the four types of teeth? Incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors are flat crowned, single root and helps in cutting and biting. I have told you earlier. Canines are pointed crown, single root, helps in holding and tearing. Premolars, these are the premolars, two ridges in crown, one or two roots, helps in chewing and grinding. Molars, two or three ridges in crown, two or three roots, helps in chewing and grinding. I was telling about the dental formula. I told you that I will tell you later. The number of teeth of each type is written as the dental formula for one side of the mouth or quadrant with the upper and lower teeth shown on separate rows. In each set, incisors are indicated first, canines second, premolars at the third position, and finally molars giving I that is incisors, is to C that is canines, is to premolars, is to molars. So, examples in human beings, it is 2 by 2 is to 1 by 1, is to 2 by 2 and is to 1 by 1. And in lion it is 3 by 3 is to 1 by 1, is to 3 by 2 and is to 1 by 1. Some more examples about cow and cat is given. Cow, it is 0 by 3 is to 0 by 1, is to 3 by 3 is to 3 by 3. And cat, it is 3 by 3 is to 1 by 1, is to 3 by 2 and is to 1 by 1. Some more examples are given regarding fox, pig, rabbit and rat. As I was telling you about tooth decay. Plaque. Plaque is a biofilm consisting of large quantity of various bacteria that form on the teeth. If not removed regularly, plaque building can lead to periodontal problems such as gingivitis. Certain bacteria in the mouth produce lactic acid, as I told you, which dissolves the calcium and phosphorus in the enamel. And this process, known as demineralization, leads to tooth destruction. Now, let us know that how we can take care of our teeth. Avoid eating too many sweets, ice creams and chocolates. What are the things you have to avoid? You have to avoid eating of too many sweets, too many ice creams and chocolates. Flush your mouth every day to remove the food stuck between them. Floss your mouth every day and floss the teeth so that it can remove the food stuck between them. Get your teeth examined by a dentist after every 6 months. What you will do? Go visit a dentist and get examined of your teeth by a dentist after every 6 months. Rinse your mouth properly after each meal and rinse your mouth properly after each meal. Brush your teeth twice, at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. Oral hygiene is the practice of keeping the mouth clean and is a means of preventing dental caries, gingivitis, periodontal disease, bad breath and other dental disorders. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Regular dental checkup is also recommended. Okay? So, what I told you about? I told you about the teeth, that is, how many types of teeth are there, what are the parts of the teeth or in the structure of teeth, about tooth decay and toothache. And I also told you that how can you take care of your teeth, and there are correct methods of brushing your teeth. What are those correct methods? Can you tell me? Yes, outside surface of upper teeth, use a downward sweeping motion and then brush your teeth. Inside surface of upper teeth, use a downward sweeping motion. Outside surface of lower teeth, use an upward sweeping motion, and inside surface of lower teeth, use an upward sweeping motion, and surface of premolars and molars, scrub back and forth. So you should brush your teeth properly. Okay. British scientists developed the first ultrasound producing electrical toothbrush of the world called Emident toothbrush. This toothbrush gives ultrasound waves and creates tiny bubbles using a special toothpaste. This toothpaste gets between the teeth and kills harmful bacteria and causes tooth decay. Another electrical toothbrush called Alterio not only kills bacteria but also remove food particles stuck between the teeth. Okay? So, now in our next class we will study about tongue. Okay?